The biggest battle of the future will not be between countries. It could be between artificial intelligence and human intelligence. Can AI read human thoughts? The future of brain-computer technology. Imagine a world where you don't need to speak, you don't need to type, you simply think and your computer understands you. Is this science fiction or is it already happening? Can artificial intelligence actually read human thoughts? Welcome to the incredible future of brain-computer technology. A world where the human brain and AI may become directly connected. Stay until the end, because what scientists are developing today could completely change humanity forever. What is a brain-computer interface? Human brain is one of the most extraordinary creations of nature. Your brain contains around 86 billion neurons. Every thought, memory, emotion, and decision creates a tiny electrical signals. A brain-computer interface or BCI is a technology that captures this brain signal and converts them into a commands a computer can understand. Instead of using your hands, your brain becomes the controller. Scientists have spent decades trying to translate brain signal into a digital language. Today, AI has made this process faster and more accurate than ever before. How AI decodes the brain? The human brain does not speak English, Hindi, or any spoken language. It communicates through electrical patterns. AI studies millions of these patterns. Using machine learning, it learns to recognize signals connected to movements, speech, emotions, and even imagined words. When enough data is collected, AI begins to predicting what a person is trying to say or do. It is similar to how your smartphone predicts your next word while typing. Except here, AI predicts your thoughts. What can AI do today? This may sound unbelievable, but some amazing breakthrough already exist. Patients who cannot speak have used brain implant to communicate. People with paralysis have controlled robotic arms simply by thinking. Researchers have reconstructed simple image from brain activity. Scientists are even developing systems that convert imagined speech into text. Although these technologies are still limited, they prove one thing: the connection between brain and machine has already begun. Future of the BCI. Imagine waking up in 2045. Your AI assistant knows what you need before you ask. You send message using only your thoughts. You learn new language faster. Doctors detect brain diseases years before symptoms appear. Grammars control virtual worlds with their minds. Students download information through advanced brain interfaces. People who lost movement regain independence. Communication becomes faster than speech itself. The future could completely redefine what it means to be human. The dark side of the brain-computer interfaces. But every powerful technology carries risk. If AI can understand brain signals, who owns your thoughts? Could hackers someday steal brain data? Could government misuse brain technology? Could companies target advertisements based on emotions? Could criminals manipulate brain interfaces? Privacy may become more valuable than ever before. The greatest challenge is not only building this technology, it's protecting humanity from its misuse. Imagine a future where artificial intelligence can write books, diagnose diseases, drive cars, compose music, and even hold conversation like like a human. Does that mean AI will one day become smarter than us? Or will human brain always remain the greatest creation in the universe? This is not just a science fiction question. It could shape the future of jobs, education, healthcare, and even civilization. So, in battle between AI and the human brain, who will win? Let us find out. Could AI surpass human intelligence? Some experts believe AI system will continue improving rapidly. Future AI may become more capable in scientific research, engineering, and complex planning. At the same time, researchers are working to make AI safer, more reliable, and more aligned with human goals. Whether AI will ever match or exceed the full range of human intelligence remains an open question. Human intelligence includes consciousness, subjective experience, and emotions areas that science is still trying to understand. No one knows with certainty what the long-term future will look like. The future will be competition or collaboration. Perhaps the future will not be about human versus AI. Perhaps it will be about humans working with AI. Doctors may use AI to detect disease earlier. Teachers may personalize learning with AI tools. Engineers may design safer buildings. Scientists may discover new medicine faster. Artists, filmmakers, and creators may use AI to bring their ideas to life. The greatest achievement may come from combining human creativity with AI's speeds and analytic power. Brain-computer technology may become one of the humanity's greatest inventions. It could cure disabilities, revolutionize communications, and unlock ability we have only imagined. But with great intelligence comes even greater responsibility. The biggest question is, AI will understand our brains. The real question is, are humans ready for AI to enter the human mind? So who will win the battle between AI and the human brain? If the challenge is speed, memory, and processing massive amount of data, AI already has significant advantages. If the challenge is imaginations, empathy, ethics, and lived experience, humans continue to bring qualities and AI does not possess. The future may not have a single winner. Instead, the biggest success may come when human intelligence and artificial intelligence work together to solve problems that neither could solve alone. The future is being written today, and we all have the role in shaping it. Change over time. Learning. Humans learn continuously from everyday life, adapting to new situations with relatively little information. Many AI systems require large amount of data and training. Emotions. Human experience love, fear, hope, compassion, and joy. AI can recognize or simulate emotional responses, but it does not experience feeling as people do. In many areas, AI is faster, in many others, huge remain uniquely capable.
If you enjoyed this futuristic journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
If you enjoyed this futuristic journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.